Hi guys, this is an introducing me video for the club. So basically this channel. Yeah, so my name is Amy. I'm from Ireland. Yeah, I've just gone 13. Yeah, I'm really interested in fashion, makeup and all that. I want to be a fashion designer when I'm older, so if you watch my main channel, you probably know that. Yeah, so that's basically really it. Yeah, so I'll get back to you what day I'm going to be doing videos on, and yeah, so that's my introducing me video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.